One of the most popular songs to learn on any instrument is Hot Cross Buns. This 3-note song is easy to play because of the stepping down pattern. Hot cross buns. Often when I teach it, I'll make up different words like stepping down, 1 a penny, 2 a penny, stepping down. The song Hot Cross Buns is only 3 notes on the piano. We can play it with 1 finger, and we're going to start on the note E. And we would play it like this. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns, 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Now I would turn this into a large movement activity by going step, step, jump, step, step, jump, tippy-toeing, step, step, jump. And children really learn by moving. So getting them up and moving helps them internalize the rhythm of this song. We can engage a child's active imagination, thinking of different animals as we're doing these movements. What kind of animals step and what kind of animals jump, and what little animal could have that tippy-toeing sound. Playing with Play-Doh is so much fun, so incorporating it into a piano lesson is just amazing for the kids. So they're going to be rolling out some little balls, they're going to roll out a bigger ball, and then we're going to roll a piece that's nice and flat. And we're going to take turns using different fingers, but we'll start with pointer, and we will be going poke, poke, smash, poke, poke, smash. And then on the rolled out piece, we're going to take our 4 fingers and we're going to go little fingers, and then back to pointer, poke, poke, smash. These fingers are sometimes difficult, especially middle and ring finger, for little children to keep curvy. So that's why we're practicing with this little poke. It's just soaking into the Play-Doh. And then making these fingers move on that flat piece is sometimes tricky, but we're going to make 4 little indentations on the dough. Because this song is so short, a practice session might only last about 10 seconds. Another way to extend the piano lesson is with sweet treat cards. It's so much fun to replace the words hot cross buns with other foods that children know. They can think of so many ideas to make this song fun. But I've created a set of cards that help give you a springboard for your imagination. This activity will help the child practice this song over and over and over again and develop their finger strength without it being tedious and repetitive. I hope you enjoyed these activities to find ways to get your little piano student off the piano bench and using their whole body to experience music. If you enjoyed this activity, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I'm creating new videos every week. To find the resources in today's video, check the description box below.